Hi guys, it's Brandy. Welcome to my newest video using the October kits from Hip Kit Club. I began my layout by gutting the inside of this Nuts for Fall pattern paper because I want to use the outside squares as a border for my layout. I already had this photo printed and cut out because I was going to use it on a previous layout, but I changed my mind. So I decided to go ahead and use it on this one because I really wanted to scrap this particular moment. I had a scrap piece of this Colors of Change pattern paper, so I decided to use that to map my photo with. And now I'm just going to rough up the inside edges of the border that I cut out. I love the flowers on this Autumn Dreams pattern paper, so I wanted to fussy cut some of these flowers out and use them for my clusters on my layout. I really like that these flowers are so versatile. They don't necessarily have to be a fall themed, and even though my photo was taken in October of this year, it doesn't look like a very fall scene, so I thought this paper was perfect for that. This photo was taken in Sausalito, California. It's a short drive from San Francisco across the Golden Gate Bridge. It's a beautiful and fascinating and wealthy little town that my husband and I absolutely fell in love with when we visited California. So now I'm going to pull out some of these fussy cut flowers and start building some clusters in the top right corner and on the bottom and around the photo. So now would be a great time to remind you that when you become a subscriber of Hip Kit Club, you can save $5 each month on your kit, and you also can save 15% on any additional kits that you decide to purchase that month. You also will get access to all of the cut files, hundreds and hundreds of them, for free. I really wanted to use that clipboard from the frame tag clipboard and leaves metal die set. I also cut out some of the leaves from that same set too to add to my clusters. I used the double-sided papers that came in the Pocket Life kit to create the clipboard and the little clipboard clippy piece, as well as this precious little piece of notebook paper. I want to use that notebook paper for the journaling for this layout, but I don't normally do a lot of journaling, so I'm not real sure exactly what I want to say yet. So I'm just saving that journaling part for later. I found these little journaling strips in the Pocket Life kit. One says, "Life with you is so good." The other one, "Epic Memories." And the last one, "Living each day with purpose." I pulled out this little piece of cardstock ephemera because it reminds me so much of the vibe of Sausalito. I also pull out some of the leaves from the cardstock ephemera pack, as well as the vellum, and also some of the wood veneer pieces. Off camera, I'm going to finish this layout with some white splatters, and that pretty much does it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about today's process or the products I used, please leave me a comment. Also, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons so you don't miss any of the new content and wonderful inspiration that Hip Kit Club has for you. Thanks again, guys. I hope you have a lovely crafty day. Bye-bye.